Good day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the OECS Yes I News. This is the March 2022 broadcast. I am your presenter, Kishana Smith, from the beautiful island of St. Lucia. St. Lucia is best known for its majestic pitos, the twin peaks rising out of the ocean. But did you know that St. Lucia is also the only country in the world with a drive-in volcano? St. Lucia, let her inspire you. We hope that someday you can visit and enjoy the beauty that is St. Lucia. This month's broadcast takes off from the Nature Isle Dominica. The oldest school in the country recently celebrated a major milestone. Our in-country correspondent, Annalisa Hunter, tells us more.
The Convent High School recently celebrated its 164th anniversary, making it the oldest secondary school in the OECS. How significant is that milestone for the institution? We here at OECS ESI News in Dominica will talk with some representatives from the school today about this significant milestone. CHS prides itself on the wholesome development of the students. Ms. London, how has this impacted your life as an adult? And how do you continue this process in your current job as a teacher?
Okay, so from very young, I understood personally that we all have different strengths, and being in a school like Convent High School can be intimidating, where you have quite a lot of young people doing very well academically. So I recognized, and I was one of those, I did okay, but I knew I had, greater things to offer that were apart from the academics. So recognizing that, when I came back to the Convent High School, I started a few clubs which I united as one, which we call Umoja CHS, which is the choir, the speech choral, and the sign language club.
Shirley, as a current student, how has your experiences throughout your years at the Convent High School prepared you for life?
Throughout my years at the Convent High School, I was involved in many extracurricular activities which enabled me to develop time management skills. Engaging with my peers and being a leader, I was able to interact with different personalities which allowed me to make better decisions in life. Also, through my various classes, the knowledge I gained will assist me in my future endeavors. Thank you.
We will now look at a presentation by students from the Umoja CHS.
I bow to thee, my country, in want and in plenty, in war and tranquility.
This has been OECS Yes I News.
Thank you, Annalisa. Congratulations to you and your colleagues. We move to another all-girls school, this time right here in St. Lucia. We hear in this report of how the girls join in a celebration of women.
International Women's Day is an opportunity to highlight the achievements and challenges faced by women and girls around the world. St. Lucia's only all-girls secondary school saw it fitting to use this occasion to showcase young entrepreneurs. This event was coordinated by the school counselor, Mrs. Lynn Paul.
Today we're celebrating International Women's Day, and with our students here as junior entrepreneurs, we decided to have them to showcase what businesses that they have.
My name is Spira Charles. I am from SJC. This is my business, Extrantique, as you can see here. It is lovely, and it's accessories made for bougie babes, for classy babes, for anything babes. It's for people who love accessories just like me.
Hi, my name is Kimani, and I am the founder and CEO.
And I am Akia Ran Pamphil, and I am a co-founder and CEO of
The Catalog. At The Catalog, we sell clothing, apparel, and apparel accessories. As you can see, we have a wide variety of clothing available.
My name is Katari Wells, and I attend the SJC Secondary School, and I'm in Form 2. And my business is Katari's Cupcakes.
Hi, my name is Shaquina, and this is my business, Baker Street. Today we prepared Bahamian cheesecake, Jamaican patties, beef, chickpea and chicken. And we also have a special tropical delight, which includes patties and tarts.
My name is Bree Louise, and today we're recognizing Women's Day at SJC. So here on my table, I have two businesses, which is Bishop Ray, where I sell clothes I make by myself, and on the other side, I have bonnets, pouches, and customized beaded jewelry. My name is Eva Marie Jeremy. My business is called Jade's Cakes and Treats, and Jade is my middle name, so I decided to use Jade. Here today I have red velvet cupcakes, vanilla cupcakes, cream puffs, chocolate chip cookies.
From the St. Joseph's Convent Secondary School in St. Lucia, this is Shaquina John reporting for OECS Yes I News.
Great stuff. Thanks for sharing these experiences, Shaquina. We head back up north in the island chain of the OECS for our final reports. We hear from Tanika Phillip about mathematics literacy. Yes, you heard it, mathematics literacy. This next report will explain.
Excitement fills the air as you see Day approach at the Ernest Primary School. Students engage in games, treasure hunts, reading activities, and lots more. However, in this report, the focus is on the mathematics literacy activity. Literacy Day was observed at my school on Thursday, 3rd March 2022. Literacy is the ability to read and write. The grade 6 class at the Ernest Primary School participated in mathematics time word problem obstacle course. The aim of the mathematics activity was to incorporate reading and writing into mathematics lesson in recognition of Literacy Day. Students interacted with an obstacle course with various tasks such as jump rope, sock throwing, passing a ball through cones, and running around the quadrangle. But first, students were required to solve the time word problem correctly. Today we speak to the grade 6 teacher, Miss Anthony, and the one grade 6 student, Kimisa Richards, to find out how valuable this initiative was to both students and teacher.
I believe it's important to incorporate literacy in my mathematics lesson because with maths it involves problem solving and critical thinking. And when you think of literacy, it involves reading.
Kimisha, what lesson did you learn from participating in this activity?
I learned how to solve time problems better, and I learned how to add and subtract time properly.
How did this experience change your attitude in learning mathematics?
It showed me that mathematics is fun, and it changed my attitude from not loving mathematics to love mathematics, and now mathematics is one of my favorite subjects.
This initiative has led to the Ellen Primary School to now encourage other schools to provide opportunities for children to have fun while incorporating reading and writing during mathematics classes.
I am Tanika Phillip reporting from Ellen Primary School for OECS Yes I News.
That's our broadcast for March 2022 OECS Yes I News. Thanks for spending time with us. Join us again on our social media platforms across the OECS for the next edition of the OECS Yes I News. My name is Kishana Smith from St. Lucia. Goodbye.